What's going on, YouTube? We is back with another video. Hey, stop. Get up there. Get up there. Good job. So I got two of the dogs with me, you feel me? Y'all know who the dogs are. Milo and Titus. Thing 1 and thing 2. Sit down. Sit. Show them how good you is. Sit. Sit. Sit, boy. Sit, boy. Sit. Sit. Look, I'm not about to talk it to your little ugly ass. Sit. Sit, nigga. Sit. Sit. Stop trying to kiss me, bro. Anyway, y'all, we got him. He ready for me to start that mug up. I got to tighten the handlebars because they be moving and stuff when you go fast. But once I tighten it up, we good to go. Yeah. Oh, shoot. But let me go ahead and set y'all up, and then let me start this up. Get the fuck out my face, bro. I'm about to whoop your ass. You doing too much, bro. You make the shit not fun. Go sit the fuck down before I run you over. Go to your cage. Bye. Stupid ass, bro. Boy, that's a dumb dog right there. He'll goddamn kill both of us if he can. But I'm going to tap in with y'all once I get done riding the bike. Y'all see them pushing. Alright, y'all. So, boom. We got the rack and pinion back in. Power steering pump back in. Everything's back in. All we gotta do now is move to the bottom and put the outer tie rods back in, and then we should be good on this part. Last night I did make sure that we buttoned up the back part of the engine. Like I said, we took the MDS plug out right here. Only thing on the bottom end we gotta do is put the exhaust bolts back on, put my starter back on, and then everything else we can handle from the front. So I'm not gonna mess with the starter yet because I don't plan on plugging it up. But what we're gonna do is, like I said, we're gonna put the outer tie rods in, and then I'll leave everything else unbuttoned. That way we can just put the car down. Put the car down on its wheels and stuff like that. And she'll be a good little roller. Well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna keep it up for tonight. I ain't even gonna mess with the tires. I'm gonna keep it up for tonight. I think next what I can do is see, I be going back and forth with myself a lot. It'd be crazy. I be going back and forth with myself a lot, only because I got too much time to think about what I want to do, all that good stuff. So I mean, I cleaned the hairs off. The hairs look good. I just gotta clean up the harness, stuff like that, just little stuff. Yeah. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. We on live right now. We got my boy David in the comments. Yeah. So, I mean, we chilling. We is chilling. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'm gonna go ahead and I already put the rack and pinion back in. I just gotta tighten up my screw for the steering wheel. And we really good. We really good. Just taking my time, y'all. I ain't in no rush. My bad, David. I'm creating this video for the content, so I ain't doing that much talking to the live right now, but yeah. Nah, but I'm gonna wrap this video up right now. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and we out.